Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to insert a text watermark in your Microsoft Excel document. This is a great way to brand your work or add a subtle layer of protection. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. First, just simply open your Excel document, then just simply go to the Insert tab in the upper ribbon, which Devin Moore you can see right over here. Now in the text group section, just simply select text box, then just simply drag and drop onto your workspace like this, or just simply double click on it and a text box should appear over here as you can see. Now just simply click on the box and drag it to your desired size and shape. Use the option like this. And once you have your desired size, just simply type any text that you want as your watermark inside this box. Now just simply choose the font and the sizing of your text next. After doing that, right-click on the text box. So just simply click on the text, then right-click, and first just simply select Format Shape at the very bottom. Now just simply click on this fill option right over here. Click on this small drop-down menu, and over here, just let me choose No Fill. Now this will make sure that only the text will be visible without any background color, as you can see right over here. Now once you have done that, in the Format Shape section, just simply choose Text option, and over here just simply choose Text Fill. And in the Transparency section, we'll simply set transparency something for around 70% for a very subtle effect of transparency, as you can see. Now you can always experiment with the percentage based on how visible you want your watermark to be. Next, you can just simply click on the text box option. You can change the box size. You can change the text size inside the box, as you can see. And then you can rotate the box to your desired position. And in order to move the box, you have to just simply hover over this line till you see this symbol. Now I'm just going to drag me over to your document. And if you want, you can increase the size of the box. And then the text inside it to fit your document, as you can see right over here. And if you ever want to change the transparency of the box, all you have to do is just simply click on the text, then right-click on the line, then Format Shape and Text Box. And right over here, you will have your transparency option. You can even choose the color if you want to. It's totally up to you, as you can see. That's it. You have successfully inserted and customized a text watermark in your Excel document. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.